Hi guys, welcome back. Another important video. Today I am going to show you how to change or reset your TikTok password. Just don't waste your time. Follow my next process. So let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok official app and tap on top left corner just profile picture. Tap here and then tap on top right corner just three line and then tap on settings and privacy. And then tap on just account center and then tap on just password and submit your password. I mean minimum 8 character and maximum 20 character. You in this use also letter, number and special character. Special character means dollar sign, hash sign or other sign. Just submit your password.